the simplest way I can explain myself. He said, if I begin to explain, you don't understand, you don't have the mind to comprehend the things that I will be saying about me. So don't go and tell them I am that I am. He said, go on, add this one to it. I am the God of your father Abraham, Isaac, and he said that is enough. The point is that God is big and God is great. But it is your duty to understand that now that you are great and you are mighty because He lives inside of you. I hope you understand it. All things are possible unto God. That is not the problem. The problem is all things are possible unto what? You. Do you understand what God is saying? All things are possible. How many of you believe this? Yes. God don't have a problem with that. We don't believe. We believe God can do all things. But the problem is us believing that all things are possible unto us. Now God told me, He said, I want to bring my people into grace. Somebody say grace. Now somebody say grace. Grace is what takes away the pain out of your labor. Are you understanding what we are saying? God did not expect us to labor because labor was not existence. When God created man, God only commanded man to walk because God Himself walked. I hope you get what we're saying. But labor came when man fell. When man fell, God multiplied His sorrow and labor came. And that was when man began to labor. So when you come into grace, is God taking away that labor again from your walk. I hope you get what I'm saying. This is when you begin to walk stresslessly in the affairs of life. And God said, let my people come into grace. When Jesus was in the Mount of Transfiguration, two persons appeared to Him. The first was Elijah and what? And Moses. Now, this was representing more. Elijah was representing the prophet, and Moses was representing what? The Lord. Now, God was making us understand that Jesus is representing grace. God is saying, I have brought my people out of the law, that they don't really have to depend now on the prophet, but now they have to depend on grace. That means I have combined, I hope you understand it, fulfill the law in a prophet then, so I can bring my people into grace. And when He was going also, He had to take three persons with Him. He took what? Peter, James, and what? Now you are not responding. He took what? Peter, what? James, and John. Now the word Peter means stone. Somebody says stone. Yeah, the word Peter means stone. The word James means replace. Somebody says replace. The word John